Please welcome to Wipro Data Analyst. Here into the questions for 6 to 9 years experience. Job description should have good knowledge on banking domain and credit risk modeling is an added advantage. Third one is good understanding on Python on the grounds of data analysis is a must and should have good knowledge on data visualization tool. Tableau is a added advantage here. So Tableau is a must one. Other tools are added advantages. Should have good knowledge on SQL. The roles and responsibilities and the current project of yours. SQL questions. How would you implement a rollback in a situation where an SQL operation fails in a midway? So how you use this rollback option is the question here. Second one is write a query to generate a report that shows number of orders placed by each customer for each category along with the total revenue per category. So assume that you have a table which has number of orders placed by each customer on each product. So you need to filter that one and you need to present the total revenue also along with this per category. You need to list the revenue also. Next one is write a query to update the status of orders to shipped if the order date is older than 7 days. So you can assume that you have a table and you have a column called shipped, and from that shipped you need to filter the dates that are older than 7 days. Tableau questions. First one is scenario is you are working with a data set containing millions of records. Despite using an extract, the dashboard performance is slow. So how you address the performance issues and what tools in Tableau can help you deal with this large data set effectively. So expected skills are extracts, aggregation, indexing, data source optimization, and performance tuning. The questions, the scenario is you need to calculate the difference in sales between the top 10 performing products by sales and the bottom 10 performing products. The catch is that these products should be dynamically filtered based on user selection, such as choosing a specific region or time period. How would you implement this calculation in Tableau? Using sets or table calculations. So expected sets are sets you can use table calculations and dynamic filtering. These three skills you need to use and perform the scenario above scenario. So scenario questions. So you are given a data in multiple Excel files, each containing monthly sales data for different regions. So with inconsistent column headers and date formats, what steps you would take in a Tableau prep or directly in Tableau desktop to clean and prepare this data for analysis? How would you ensure consistency across the various data sets before importing them into the Tableau? And expected skills are data preparation in Tableau prep, handling data inconsistencies, field renaming, and data type conversations. Questions. You are working with a data set of customer transactions that include customer ID, transaction date, and amount, and product category. So you have to write a function from the Python to create a heat map to show the correlation between transaction amounts and the product categories. And next one is you need to create a box plot to show the distribution of transaction amounts for each product category. You can use the expected sales like data visualization with Matplotlib, C1 or Pandas. And questions a scenario is given. So you have a data set with the following columns: transaction date, customer age, transaction amount. So write a Python function that creates a new feature for transaction year extracted from the transaction date and creates a new feature for age group based on the customer's age. Example, this is under 30 or 30 to 40 or 40 plus. And add these features to the dataset and return the modified data frame. The expected skills here are future engineering with pandas, handling dates, and creating categorical variables. Such are questions. So first one is how do you prioritize tasks in a fast-paced IT project with multiple deadlines and completing requirements? And second one is how would you handle situations where cross-functional teams, example developers, products managers, QA have conflicting priorities. Thank you people. Thanks for watching. Be Biggie. Please subscribe, share, and like my channel.